Hey everyone, welcome back to the latest GoSkills Excel Challenge solution. How close did you get to solving it? Welcome to the solution for this month's Excel Challenge. Let's jump right into it. Our task is to populate this table showing the amount of sales each sales manager produced for each year. We need to do this without copying and pasting values from the other sheets. Once we've done that, sum the amounts for each person, and then visually highlight the best performance from any sales manager who holds the record for most sales in a year. Across the bottom, we've got separate worksheets for each year of data that ranges from 2019 to 2025. Each sheet lists these two columns of data, the sales manager and the sales amount. So let's start building our solution over here in the Solution tab. Across the top, you see we've got the sales manager names, which we're going to use to pull the data from the other sheets. And then on the left, we've got the years listed. So the solution that we're going to use is a combination of VLOOKUP and INDIRECT. These will help us dynamically look up the sales values for each manager from the corresponding sheets. So let's click into cell B2 and begin. We'll start by typing in equals VLOOKUP. The lookup value is B1, but let's lock that to the header row. That's the sales manager name. The reference is locked to the row, but it will move across the column for each sales manager when this gets copied over to the different cells. The table array, here's where we can use indirect. Indirect A2 will lock the column, and we'll add this part here with the range of column A and B. So what this will do is if A2, if the value for that is 2019, then the value inside the parentheses would be 2019 columns A and B. The column index number is 2, meaning we want to return the value from the second column, or the sales amount. We're going to add false to the end here, which means that we want an exact match. And then once we complete that and hit enter, let's fill this formula across the entire range. And you can see all the values have been added for each manager, for each year across each of the worksheets. Fantastic. So now the next part of our challenge is to find the record holder. Let's highlight visually the top amount from any sales manager within any of these individual years. That's just an easy bit of conditional formatting. So select the entire array of values that we want to evaluate. Go up to Home, Conditional Formatting, Top Bottom Rules, and then Top 1 Item. And then you can choose your desired style of how to visually make this value pop. I'm going to hit OK. And there's our record holder. Nathan produced almost $70,000 in sales back in 2019. Well done, Nathan. And now the final bit of work to do is to produce the sales number, the total sales number for each sales manager. How much have they produced across all the years? That's just a simple sum, which we already have in place across the bottom. You can see how it looks here. So that's our challenge. Our boss is going to be very happy to see a fully complete sales report with all the numbers, the visual highlighting they asked for, and the sums at the bottom. Did you complete it as well? Well, congrats if you did. Thanks for checking out this month's Excel challenge, and we'll see you in the next one. So there it is. Did you get the same results? Did you use the same approach? Or did you try something different? We'd like to know. Share your take on the challenge in the comments below, or join us for more discussion in our Slack channel. Link in the description. Thanks for participating, and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get an alert when the next challenge is released. We'll see you then.